Welcome to an in-depth journey into the world of wild boars, or Scrofa, one of nature's most resilient survivors. In this episode, we explore these creatures not just as tough animals, but as a global ecological force reshaping landscapes. Each shot reflects a deeper mission rooted in ecology, survival instincts, and rapid reproduction. This isn't about sport. It's about restoring balance. Through responsible wildlife management, wild boars rank among the most intelligent mammals in the wild. Their acute senses make them formidable survivors. With a sense of smell that detects food or danger miles away, they navigate with precision. Their hearing catches faint sounds, like a snapping twig, alerting them instantly. What sets boars apart is their remarkable memory. They recall landscapes, paths, and predator patterns with uncanny accuracy. When a sound or their social group faces a threat, survivors don't just flee. They adapt, becoming more nocturnal, elusive, or aggressive, challenging hunters and managers alike. Physically, wild boars are built for endurance. Their tough hides and bristly hair shield them in harsh environments. From dense forests to arid plains, they thrive in diverse conditions. They sprint up to 30 miles per hour and leap obstacles with surprising agility. A mature boar can weigh 150 to 400 pounds, with some males exceeding 600 pounds. Their sharp, ever-growing tusks are deadly weapons, used in territorial disputes or against predators. These tusks make boars a force to be reckoned with. The reproductive capacity of wild boars drives their global impact. A single sow produces 2 litters yearly, each with 4 to 12 piglets. These offspring mature sexually in 6 to 8 months, enabling rapid population growth. In ideal conditions, a boar population can double in a year. This explosive growth devastates agriculture. In the U.S., wild boars cause $1.5 billion in crop damage annually. Fields of corn, wheat, and soybeans vanish overnight, threatening farmers' livelihoods. Regions like Texas and Florida face relentless invasions from these destructive foragers. Beyond, farms, boars disrupt ecosystems. Their rooting behavior, digging with powerful snouts, destroys forest undergrowth. Soil erosion follows, harming plant and animal life. In wetlands, their wallowing creates muddy pits, altering water flow and damaging aquatic habitats. Native wildlife suffers immensely. Ground nesting birds and small mammals lose habitats to boar invasions. Endangered species, like certain turtles and amphibians, face extinction risks. The ecological toll of unchecked boar populations is profound and far-reaching. Wild boars also spread diseases. Pathogens like African swine fever, brucellosis, and foot-and-mouth disease pose threats to wildlife and livestock. African swine fever, with no vaccine or cure, has caused billions in losses in Europe and Asia, prompting aggressive culling. Behaviorally, boars are bold yet strategic. Sounders, led by experienced sows, move with coordinated caution. Younger pigs scatter at gunshots, seeking cover instinctively. Older, solitary males may charge, flank, or blend into terrain. Using natural camouflage. In the footage you're watching, observe their varied responses. Some boars drop instantly under precise shots. Others weave through trees or collapse mid-run, showcasing survival instincts honed over centuries by predators like wolves, bears, and humans. The wild boar problem is global. In the U.S., descendants of escaped domestic pigs span 35 states. Texas and Florida bear the brunt of invasions. In Australia, feral pigs threaten native species like the bilby, competing with livestock in the outback. In Europe, boars have reclaimed lost territories. They infiltrate forests and urban fringes, with sightings in cities like Berlin and Barcelona. Each region faces unique challenges, from rugged terrain to urban sprawl, complicating management efforts. Case studies highlight the crisis. In Texas, ranchers use night vision scopes to combat nocturnal sounders. In Australia's Queensland, aerial culling targets remote populations. In Italy's Tuscany, traditional driven hunts blend heritage with management, yet populations persist. Strategic hunting is vital, as seen in these 40 takedowns. These are not sport kills, but efforts to protect ecosystems. A single boar can ruin a field overnight. Large sounders erode soil and contaminate water, impacting entire communities. Ethical hunting minimizes suffering. Hunters target specific animals, preserving sounder dynamics. In many areas, boar meat is processed for communities or charities, ensuring sustainability. This approach balances ecological needs with practical outcomes. Hunting alone isn't enough. Trapping captures entire sounders, but boars learn to avoid traps. Fencing protects crops but is costly for large areas.
If you'll enjoy this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more information.